Hello guys, welcome to SWA TV, where we bring you about the animals, nature. Today, before we continue, please consider subscribing, like and share. And thank you very much for your support too. For those who have been watching, for those who have been subscribing, thank you so much. I don't take it for granted. Now, for today's video, I wanted us to talk a little bit about how the snakes mate. Can you see the way they're coiling up? That's how the snakes do mate. Like, I know so many people doesn't know how they do. Some people wonder how this happen, but that's how they do. You see them coiling each other. Yeah, they do how they do mate. Yeah, that's all I wanted to share for today. Let's continue watching. These are different types of snakes in different cages. Yeah, this in Kenya. Yeah, and we do appreciate for those people who do keep them just for education purposes, to know the venomous snakes and non-venomous snakes. Yeah, and we do appreciate. Yeah, thank you. Continue watching. For those who want to visit the place, it's called Stenmark. Yeah, if you Google Stenmark, that is in Nairobi Highway. That is in Karen. Stenmark in the Karen is the place you're going to see this, so you can find them and come visit them. That is those who want to see the snakes, those who want to learn. These are a lot of information about the snakes. They also have the lions, they also have a hotel, they also have so many things. They have the birds, so there's a lot to learn. Yeah, they have the ostriches, they have quite of animals. Yeah, it's a good place if you wanna see them. It's Stenmark, yes. Thank you guys. You can still see how they are crawling out. Yeah. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the button and also to like. Yeah, it doesn't take much, just to like. Guys, thank you. If